the blood is in. If the G and M have a line in there, then I am tested positive. This COVID-19 test cassette is a solid phase immunochromatographic assay for the rapid, qualitative, and differential detection of the IgG and IgM antibodies to the 2019 novel coronavirus in the human whole blood, serum, or plasma. In short, this is the coronavirus test kit, and I'm going to show you how it looks, how it works, and I'm going to test it on myself. What's up guys, my name is Joe, and as I said in the intro, this is the coronavirus test kit. This test is to check your IgG and IgM levels in your blood. When testing for protection against specific pathogens, the measurement of IgM and IgG antibodies is relevant. An increase in specific IgM levels indicates a current or recent infection. This meaning that this test kit can show you if you have or recently had the coronavirus. In any case, you must isolate yourself immediately for minimum 14 days. Please stay home, as it is very important to protect yourself and others. I'm going to show you what's inside this box and what the coronavirus test kit looks like. And here are the instructions, and there's a very specific part in this instructions that I want to share with you. This test provides only a preliminary test results. Therefore, any reactive specimen with the COVID-19 IgG, IgGM rapid test cassette must be confirmed with alternative testing methods and clinical findings. That's in the instructions. In any way, this is a very good indicator that you have the virus. The benefits of this kit is that you can show results within 10 minutes. It facilitates patient treatment decisions quickly. One drop of blood is enough to test yourself, and everything you need is right inside the box. So, let's check out the test procedure and interpretation, and then look at what's in here. Now you can see a graphic on your screen. This is the interpretation of the results once we have it. You can see that there are 3 types of positive measurements. So if C has a red line, and any other, like G or M, has a line, that means you are positive. If C and G has a line, if C, G, and M all have a line, you are positive. If only C has a line, that means you are negative. That means you don't have the coronavirus. In any case, if the C line is blue, that means the test is invalid, so you need to repeat it once again. So this is the test kit itself. You have to open it over here. And in here, you find the kit itself. As you can see, as we have discussed, C, G, and M. Then, as you can see, the blood needs to come over here, and I need to put this special liquid over here. Now, I will have to get some blood from my finger, so I'm going to use this little handy tool to get some blood, and I'm going to put a mask on. I will disinfect my finger, and I will check the instructions again on where to exactly put the droplet of blood. So the droplet of blood has to come here on the S, right there. I'm gonna take the top of this liquid off if I can. There you go. Everything ready. One more clean. And let's start. So, put some blood into my finger. Okay. Now I need a nice and big drop of blood. And I will need to put it right there if it's going to drop. Almost. And I need to, there. The blood is in. And now I need to put 2 drops of this liquid. 1, 2, I'll do 1 more just to be safe. 3. Okay, now after about 10 minutes we should have a result. As you can see over here, the blood starts flowing in. I'm going to show it to this camera as well if I can. It's not, there you go. And once again, if the C line is blue, then the test is invalid. If the G and M have a line in there, then I am tested positive. So I'll check back to you guys in about 10 minutes. So guys, here we are at the end of 10 minutes. I can take this off because it's negative. I do not have the coronavirus. To be honest, I was a little bit stressed. I was very curious on what the result is going to be. I myself am in quarantine. I am isolating myself from people, social distancing and everything. But still, you never know when you go to the supermarket what could happen. This test proves that I am negative. So about after 10 minutes, we have the results. It's that easy. No hassle, no problems. Quick check to see if everything is good. Now, this does not mean that you can go outside and continue your life like before. It is very important to continue social distancing and stay home until your local government says you're okay to go outside. Also, it is very important to take care of yourself, especially your lungs. As the New York Times said in an article a couple of days ago, people with bad air quality conditions are more susceptible to the coronavirus because their lungs are not ready for the hit they're about to get. So if you want to take care of your lungs, or if you want to, just do some good to them, you can try some salt inhalators. Those clean out your lungs, and your immune system can be better. If you don't know what that is, there's a link down in the description below. So guys, this was the COVID-19 test video. I am negative, thanks to God, and thank you very much for watching my video, and until my next video, don't forget to stay safe, stay home, and hang loose.